back. I just have some regular white buttercream. And the thing I want to mention when I was cutting these out, this cake was in the freezer. It's much easier to carve when it's in the freezer, okay? So you just pull it out of the freezer, cut it right away, and ice it right away. Then it won't fall apart on you. So I just need to take some of the buttercream and just kind of get it around here. Notice it dancing around a little bit on me. If I actually get some of that down there on the surface, then it'll help prevent it from moving around on me. Help prevent it. Didn't say it would stop it. Okay, so once you get the main, pretty much all of it covered, then go ahead and take this, the acetate that we used to smooth the cake, and just come up from the bottom. Up. Okay, when I get to that point, what I can do is go ahead and roll out my fondant. Now for the caterpillar, I'm going to do different colors. Now the way I came up with this cake, actually one of my customers brought in an invitation that they had made, and it was the caterpillar, and it was construction paper, and it was done in these different colors. It was really cute. That's why I wanted to go ahead and redo the cake for you. So this is just a little bit darker, just a little shade or two darker than the cake. So I just need to roll this out. Since this isn't completely smooth, I don't want to roll this out actually too thin, because I don't want it to show any of the lumps on the cake. Okay, so I can just take it over to the cake, place it over the top, and just smooth it out. Okay, and then you can either take a pizza cutter. I'm just using a spatula. I don't want to cut right at the base. I want to cut out just slightly, not right at the base, because I want to tuck some of this fondant underneath. So what I'm going to do is remove this, pick this up, and then push this in. Okay, it's okay if you get some of that buttercream out of there. Okay, and then I can just kind of set that one aside. Smooth it out if I've messed it up at all. And I can go ahead and do the rest. Okay, so again, there's going to be one purple or lavender, one pink, and one yellow. Okay, what I want to do on the cake before I put the caterpillar on it is I want to pearlize this. There's this new product, it's by Americolor, and it's called the Pearl Sheen. It's an Amerimist airbrush color. So I have my airbrush right here. I'm just going to pop it on. I shake this up. Open it up, and hopefully this comes out on the camera. It's probably kind of hard to tell. Okay, so if I just go over the cake, it's probably real hard to see on the camera, but it's really, really neat. It just adds like a super pearl look, which super pearl is the little luster dust. But this is great because this is on buttercream, and it just gives it a little bit of a sheen. So before I put this on here, I just need to get a little piece of cake because my caterpillar is going to be kind of crawling up here. So I need something to support it right here. So let me just get a piece of cake right here.